Hello, little friends! Welcome to the Magic Word Garden. Today, we're going to say some magic words and watch the plants grow big and strong. Are you ready? Let's start! The first magic word is C-A-T, cat. Say it with me, cat. Now, let's grow another plant. D-O-G, dog. Say it together, Doug. Next word is S-U-N, sun. Say it bright, sun. Look, a new sprout, H-A-T, hat. Say it, hat. Another magic word, B-A-L-L, ball. Say it, bouncy, bell. Keep going, M-O-M, mom. Say it with love, mom. Let's make the garden bigger, D-A-D, dad. Say it proudly, dad. Here's a yummy word, C-U-P, cup. Say it, cup. Here comes another flower, B-E-D, bed. Say it sleepy, bed. A new word is growing, B-O-X, box. Say it strong, books. Ready for a colorful word? B-U-S, bus. Say it, bus. Here's a cozy one, S-O-C-K, sock. Say it, sock. Let's make a rainbow grow, B-O-O-K, book. Say it, book. A splashy word now, F-I-S-H, fish. Say it, fish. Bright and shiny, R-I-N-G, ring. Say it, ring. Little magic, T-O-Y, toy. Say it, toy. Now something delicious, C-A-K-E, cake. Say it yummy, cake. Let's bounce, B-E-A-R, bear. Say it cuddly, bear. Another sunny word, T-R-E-E, tree. Say it tall, tree. Last magic word for today, S-T-A-R, star. Say it twinkly, star. Wow, look at our beautiful magic word garden. You did amazing. Keep practicing your words every day, and soon you'll grow your own magical garden of learning. See you next time, little friends. Bye-bye.